Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? Today we have a miscellaneous unboxing of just a little bit of this and a little bit of that, as my friend Mo Knows Beauty always says. And I also have a custom bag that I had done a while ago. It took a little while for them to make it, and then of course it sat here for a little while and before I could get to unboxing it. But I hope y'all like it. Just so you'll know, that'll be the last thing. That's this bag here. I'm really excited about that, about seeing it. So hopefully I'm not disappointed. The pictures looked wonderful. So hopefully it just came across in the actual real life custom bag. I actually had $18.05 from Bloomingdale's, and I ordered a couple of pieces. And then, so that order totaled $204 because I had a loyalist rewards card, an order I had made before. And so I had $18.05. And so I only paid $204 for this item and this item. So let's see what this is. Oh, I think I know what this one is. I ordered them together, but they mailed them separately. So oh yes, okay. Yes, alrighty. So y'all might have known. This is so cute. It's in a little brown bag, little brown like lunch bag. Okay, let's see. It's taped very, very well. I had no ideas about this. I was trying to watch some new channels and don't remember who I was watching. I thought I had took a screenshot. I can't find it. I find it before I edit. I will put your name down here. They just recently unboxed one of these and I went bananas over it. I even there said, I've never seen this before. I have to get it. I had never seen this before, but apparently, you know, it's been out there. But it is the brown little shopper tote. Oh my goodness. Can you believe it? It is, and they put it in a brown little bag. And so this came from Bloomingdale's. And it's normally, it actually was even on sale. When I got it on sale, it was $9.60. So it's normally $12. But even at $12, I would have bought it. But then it was like on sale for $9. And it has the little keychain, and it's even comes stuffed. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. And it, you know, you can actually, it's functional. It's actually functional. It says Bloomingdale's on the sides. Bloomingdale's on the sides. Oh yeah, it says 100% exclusive. So this is exclusive to Bloomingdale's then. That's cute. I've never shopped in store. Started shopping online just recently. Little brown key fob is what the name of it. The little brown bag key fob. It's so cute. I just had to have it. You know how I am with my charms. It's like, give me a little charm, give me a little bag, and I'm happy. I'm happy. Okay, this is so cute. So there's whoops. All right, let's put this in here. Maybe it'll balance a little bit better. There's that. Okay. And then here's the second one. I got this because I was just trying to get something that would fit in that price range where I could possibly use the you know, help me people, help me. Come on, give me I'm sorry, I don't know why my brain's not working today. It's extra not working today. It doesn't work all the time, but today it's really not working. Since that one was $9, $9.60, I just wanted to spend the rest of the gift card without having to spend too much. So this was really the only thing I could find. This was $9. It's called a, ooh, it's packaged so nicely. Look at that. That is so cute. It is called the on-the-go crossbody strap connector. And here we go. To connect to make your crossbody a little longer, you know, and then it's a functioning little keychain pouch or key coin purse pouch. So it's regular $15. Right now it's on sale for $11.25, but I got it for $9. And they had two colors. They had this one, which is the wild cheetah, and then they also have midnight blossom. I decided on this one. So you connect it. I've never seen this. Have any of y'all used these? But I'm guessing that you can connect it, you know, to make it longer, to make your straps longer, and then have that. So put it on. Oh, I guess what I could do is try it on this. This was my winnings from Ed's giveaway. Oh, but you know what? It's not going to work with this one. Maybe not. Let's see. The Portland Leather Goods, they bury their hooks really deep inside the bag, and which makes it a little bit difficult to get to it. So that's why. But this is what I had next to me that would work. Let's see. Okay, so you do it this way, and this is a little short for me because of how where they put the buried the thing at. See, okay. All right, so see it's, oh, we'll turn it this way. Yeah, it wouldn't work on this bag because I need it on the other bag, but it'll give you an idea. So you hook it there and here, and then it gives you a little key pouch. And then you can put your keys in here, your key fob in there, or change in there. I actually like that. I like it a lot. So I definitely going to use that. And like I said, basically this item costs $2. I had well, I guess you would do it $1.02 for this and $1.02 for that, because it was $2.05. And that is what I got with my little gift card. Will that work? So this is also a little mini unboxing, a mini item. And it came all undone. In fact, my husband was like, you need to check it, because this, it was only this part. Let's see. This was the only corner that was glued, and all of this was undone. And he said, it doesn't look like there's anything in there, but whoops, but there is. This is from Nordstrom. Yes. I broke down and I had to get it because they started selling out, and I was trying to hold off to see if it's the Marc Jacobs, the Tote little Nano, the Nano Tote bag charm. And I know I'm a little late to the game. Winnie unboxed her. She got a pretty little pink one. Ed got this one. I'm not sure if he got it from Nordstrom Rack either. But I purchased it a long time ago. And I purchased it, when did I purchase it? August the 25th, which is when I purchased these items too. It's just I'm a lot behind on recording the newer items right now. Just haven't been feeling well. I was like, well, I almost wasn't going to unbox it because, you know, everybody, you know, it's done, you know, won't get the views or anything. But I thought, okay, if I do it with this one, it's fine. But I couldn't pass it up. I wanted a red one. I've been wanting to hold out for a red one. But if they come, it probably won't be till later. And they were all selling out. So Nordstrom, because that's the only one I had a credit card for. This baby was $125. I was looking over there, but the hubby's not even here. He's working. He's in the office today. Working actually physically in the office today. So here's the front, here's the side, other side, and the back. I mean the other side, the bottom. And here's the top. And it has a little zipper. I'm sure y'all have seen it, but you know what? I need it for me. And here's the chain. It's so cute. And oh my goodness. Now this chain, come back here, Portland Leather tote from my friend Ed's giveaway. Let me take this off. Now it has been, here's the front. It's been, you know, everybody was like, it's been too long to for it to go. Let me see if it'll work or if it's too long for this one as well. It works great for that on this size. So it hangs great on there, and I don't mind the hang drop on there, not, you know, not at all. And it's just so cute. It's like a tote on a tote, and then it needs a little baby tote. Oh, well this, oh, let's see. Oh, I'm gonna need to hook one of those little hooky things I have on there. But for now, let's see, would that work? A tote on a tote on a tote. I just love it. Let's turn it that way. Get that tag out of the way. There we go. It's a tote on a tote on a tote. It's adorable. Oh my goodness, so adorable. Here, we'll leave that on here. All three of those together, and then here's this on here. Okay. Okay, so now we've come to the custom unboxing or unbagging. Let's fingers crossed and see if it's an Esty custom item. This is one of those ceramic blades that is only supposed to cut into yourself and stuff. Can you tell? I think I'm gonna like it. Oh my goodness. It's a custom Dee Dee Bean bag with my logos on it. Here's the front, here's the side, here's the back. See, so those are the, if you pay attention to the intro, if you don't skip through the intro, these are the little characters that I created, my little emojis, bitmojis that I created. Here's the side, here's the bottom, and that's the front. Look at it. That is very well done. It looks a little pinkier, but that's okay. It has a lock right here. And you just unlatch it, and then it does have a crossbody. Oh no, I'm sorry, it's just a longer strap. That's right, I forgot, because I was thinking I could put a crossbody strap on it if I needed to. Oh, it comes, to keep the shape, they put a foam, and they wrap the foam, which that's very good. Hold on a second. Oh, it was nice and snug in there. Okay. It smells a little chemically, you know. It's not, you know, it's not leather. But here's the inside of the bag. It's black, so you can't really see anything. And they didn't really have a choice. Side zipper. So the inside pocket, it has an inside zipper pocket here. The zipper in the pocket is not very sturdy zipper, so I would just leave it open. And then on the other side of the bag, it has a pocket here. It feels like not silk, but you know, that silky type of material. And okay, I want to take that off, but so here she goes. I wish that these would go in the inside of the, maybe I can do that. There, okay. So if I were to wear it like this, and maybe I can tuck that in, and you could see it. I'll wear it this way, and here it looks like if we're just top handling it, you can top handle it. So, I think it's cute. Isn't that cute? I like that. I think it's good. I was just trying to come up with some marketing ideas, and I saw this custom bag, and I thought that was great. I kind of threw around a little bit of maybe, you know, doing a giveaway with this bag, but I was like, who's gonna want a giveaway of something like this of my channel? So I was like, you know, I don't know. So maybe I'll come up with, you know, something better that y'all like, but unless y'all think it'll be something that y'all wouldn't be interested in. But I think it's cute. It'll definitely be cute on my up there. I'll put it up there. I like it. I'll definitely use it, and I'm definitely gonna have it in my little cubby here. And they did a very good job. They did a very good job. I like it. Okay, so here was my miscellaneous find in my custom bag. Hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to come back for the next video. If you hit that subscribe button and ring that black bell, then you will know before anybody else when my next video goes up on YouTube. Otherwise, it's just kind of random. If you don't subscribe and ring that bell, you just kind of hope you can find me again. And I would love to hear from y'all on a consistent basis. And it also helps my channel grow, and it doesn't cost you anything. I also post a few things in the community post area, so you can go over there and find some stuff there. I'm not sure if you have to be subscribed to get those. I don't know how it all works. I'm still basically new, so I don't know. Anyway, thank you very much for coming, and don't forget, love y'all. Bye.